Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got for you my peanut butter and chocolate chunk cookie recipe. Right, now we've got our ingredients together, let's get started. First, we're going to drop in our sugar into our mixing bowl. If you don't have a mixer, that's fine. You can use a wooden spoon or a spatula. So now I've just put in the butter. We've got our peanut butter. You can use smooth or crunchy. It's all up to you. So guys, today we've got a really nice and easy one. I hope you all give it a try. I'm a real peanut butter fan, but if you don't like peanut butter, just remove it from the recipe and you can have good old original chocolate chip chunky cookies. What we're trying to achieve here today is for a crunchy exterior and a soft and chewy interior. I can't wait for these guys. So now we're going in with our vanilla. I'm just going to give you guys a quick tip. When you crack your egg in, make sure you put a tablespoon of flour in, as this stops the mixture from curdling. Give this a quick mix. Now I need to get a spatula to bring our mixture all together. Now we're going to go in with our bicarbonate of soda and our flour. We're going to give it another mix. We're going to add in our lovely chocolate chunks that you can see on the side there. As you can see guys, we're nearly there. We need to roll up our sleeves and get our hands dirty. We're going to roll this into a cylinder shape. Here we have it, our lovely cookie dough. I would just eat this with a spoon. I personally think there's nothing better than a homemade baked cookie. So guys, you want to get this dough straight into the fridge as quick as possible, as it's very important that you chill it before you cook it. Otherwise, the cookies spread while they're baking and they don't form properly. So as you can see, I'm just wrapping this up in cling film and I'm going to pop it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. So guys, now it's time for our cookie dough to chill. So I guess it's time for me to go watch Netflix. Here we are peeps, we are ready to rock and roll. Here I am just unwrapping the cookie dough, ready to section it out for our cookies. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 180 degrees. And look at that for a cross section. So guys, it's super important to space out your cookies one by one on the tray. You don't want them to blend into each other. Now these little bad boys are ready to go and bake. So we're going to put them in the oven for 12 to 14 minutes until they go golden on the sides. Be careful taking these out of the oven guys, they will be piping hot. Now all we have to do is wait for them to cool down and we can enjoy. There we have it guys, our delicious peanut butter cookies with chocolate chunks. How good do they look? And they smell amazing. And they'll all be washed down with a cold glass of milk. What a good combo, cookies and milk. That's not to say you won't enjoy these with a cup of tea or a coffee. Now guys, I'm off to enjoy these beauties and get back to my Netflix. So guys, that was my cookie recipe. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. I'll catch you next time.